The interior lights are controlled by these two switches located just above the rearview mirror. The lights will illuminate and remain on for a period of time when the doors or liftgate are opened, or the doors are unlocked from outside the vehicle with the ignition in the off position. Push this switch to turn the interior lights on. The lights will illuminate regardless of door positions. Push the switch again to return to the neutral position. Push this switch to turn the interior lights off. The lights will not illuminate regardless of door positions. Press the switch again to return to the neutral position. The map lights are controlled by these switches. Push the switch to turn that light on or off. The console light will turn on whenever the parking lights or headlights are illuminated. There are rear personal lights located in the back seat of the vehicle. Push the switch located next to each light to turn that light on or off. This is your cargo light. It will automatically illuminate when the liftgate is opened. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.